Stop. Just stop. Stop letting AI do your thinking for you. Stop copying trends, prompts, the perfect ideas everyone else is making, because honestly, it's making you boring. And yeah, I caught myself doing it too. And that's frustrating actually. So yesterday I was scrolling through AI generated art and sketches. Everything looked the same: color, poses, layout, even the jokes in the caption. I realized I'd been doing the same thing, leaning on prompts, picking what's trending, polishing stuff so it looks right. And then I thought, wow, this is not creativity. This is autopilot, and somehow I've been okay with it. AI is not the problem. I'm not blaming the tools, they're very helpful. The problem is me and all of us letting it think for us first. It's easy, quick, safe, look impressive, but it's boring and not real. The messy, chaotic, half-baked stuff that comes straight out of your brain, that's the stuff that sticks. That's human. That's interesting. That's authentic. So, I did something stupid yesterday. I shut the AI off, delete the prompt, close the tutorial, and I just scribbled. Messy, ugly, weird ideas, lines that didn't make sense, colors that clashed, half-baked thoughts. It looked terrible and somehow it felt alive, felt mine, felt human, and felt authentic. I realized the perfect, polished stuff, it gets liked. The messy, chaotic stuff, I don't know, it actually matters. And that's when it hits me. Everyone doing it, following trends, copying AI prompt, making the perfect things everyone is making, your friends, your favorite accounts, even me. And here's the kicker: boring, polished, safe stuff, people scroll past it, forget it. The messy, weird, slightly chaotic stuff, that's the version people remember. That's the version that's human and authentic. So here what I'm doing. I'm done letting this machine think for me first. I'm letting my thoughts, weird stuff first. The ideas no one else would touch. The one that are ugly, awkward, maybe even dumb. Because the AI perfect version, that's literally boring. The messy human version is authentic, memorable, and real. If that makes you uncomfortable, good, maybe. It's because you've been letting AI or trend do your thinking do. So here's tiny challenge. Make one messy, weird, chaotic thing today that's all yours. No prompt, no copying, no polishing first, and I promise it will feel terrifying, but it will also feel alive at the same time.